Hello everyone and welcome back to How Logical. We are back with another tutorial, and in this video we will be showing you how to change your Instagram name before 14 days. If you didn't already know about this, Instagram does not let you change your name more than 2 times within 14 days. However, sometimes you may need to change your name again, especially if you have misspelled your name. First of all, let's go into the Instagram application. From the application homepage, go into your account icon at the bottom right corner. You can change your name by tapping on Edit Profile if you have not already changed it twice before 14 days. In case you cannot change it anymore, go into your account icon and then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. From here, go into Settings and then press Help. From the Help menu, tap on Report a Problem and then press Report a Problem once again. Now just explain your problem, telling them that you need to change your name. You can also attach a screenshot of your situation, then press on the Submit button. While this will not solve your problem immediately, this will take about 2 to 4 days. If your request is approved, you will receive a notification in your email and also on your Instagram application. So for now, that's the only way to change your name more than 2 times within 14 days on Instagram. And that's all for this video. If you like this content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.